In this video, I'm going to explain how you can slow down or speed up your videos on Instagram Reels. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I want to create a new reel, so I swipe right. And down here, I want to choose Reels. As you can see up here, it says 1x. If I tap on that, it's going to be 1/3, 1 second, or 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So this is the option that Instagram offers that allows us to adjust the speed of our videos. Let's say I put it on 3x. And now I should ask my colleague to help us with the octopus for recording a video. Okay, let's take one more. Okay, now if I tap next, as you can see, the videos are 3 times faster. Let's try one more with the speed of 1 second. Let's record one more. Oh, this time it's angry. Okay. As you can see, the first 2 videos are faster and the last video is so much slower. Now, if I tap next, I could make some more changes to it, like add a caption or hashtags or something, and then I could either save it as a draft and post it later, or I can just share it with my followers. Hope that helps, and don't forget to subscribe for more.